Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with Fiverr, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage a side hustle with Fiverr, begin by identifying your skills and services. Take a moment to assess what you can offer potential clients. Consider fields like graphic design, writing, digital marketing, or programming. Next, create a compelling Fiverr profile. Choose a professional profile picture that represents you well. Write a clear and engaging bio that highlights your expertise. Be sure to include keywords related to your services for better visibility. Once your profile is set, create your first gig. Define the specific service you want to offer clearly. Set competitive prices based on research of similar gigs on Fiverr. Include appealing visuals, such as images or videos, to showcase your work. Craft a detailed gig description that outlines what clients can expect. Set realistic delivery times to ensure you can meet deadlines. Promote your gig beyond Fiverr. Share your services on social media platforms and relevant online communities. Networking can lead to more visibility and potential clients. Monitor your gig performance regularly. Check analytics provided by Fiverr to understand views and impressions. Use this data to refine your offerings and adjust pricing if needed. Communicate promptly with potential clients to build trust. Respond to inquiries or requests for custom orders quickly. Once you secure a job, ensure you meet or exceed client expectations. Deliver high-quality work within the agreed timeframe. After completing a project, kindly ask for feedback. Positive reviews will enhance your credibility on the platform. Be prepared to learn and adapt as you encounter various clients and projects. Continuously improve your skills to stay competitive in your niche. Consider expanding your service offerings based on demand and your interests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.